Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about 14 secret combinations on your keyboard. Have you ever thought how many secrets are hidden inside of your computer? Do you think of this anytime? There are a lot of things have changed. We almost don't use mice anymore and prefer touchpads and touchscreens nowadays. But a keyboard is the only thing that seems to be unchanged till now. Here are the list of all the hotkey combinations that will certainly come in handy in further. Let's start with the secret combinations. But before that, we need to find the Windows key. Usually it's located on the lower row of the keyboard to the left of the spacebar. Found it? Yeah, great. This button will be involved in all the following combinations. So just keep your finger on it. Ready? Let's get into the video. Combination 1. If you just press Window key, it will open the start menu. I hope this combination is known to you all people. Combination 2. Press Window key followed by A. In Windows 10, it will open the Action Center. Combination 3. The combination of Window key and B selects the first icon in the notification area. Combination 4. Press Window key and C key. It will show you the charm bar in Windows 8 and 8.1 versions. In Windows 10, it opens Cortana to you. This combination changes according to the versions of Windows. Combination 5. This one is beneficial if you want to minimize all the opened windows immediately. Just press Window key followed by D key. Combination 6. It provides quick access to the Windows Explorer. For that, press Window key and E key together. Combination 7. Window key and F key pressed together opens Find Files and Folders in Windows 8. In Windows 10, it opens Feedback Hub. This combination is also varied according to the versions of Windows. Combination 8. In this we have 3 keys: Window key plus Control key and plus F key. It opens Find Computers. Combination 9. Press Window key plus K. It will open a new start menu. Connections in Windows 8 and 8.1. Combination 10. If you want to change the user or lock the workstation quickly, then press Window key followed by L. Another hotkey combination that you are going to use every day for sure. Combination 11. Window key plus M key will minimize all the windows. Are you searching for something inside of your computer? Then use combination 12. Window key plus Q. It will open you search charm for all installed apps in Windows 8 and newer. Combination 13. It opens the Run dialog box for you. Just press Window key and R key. Combination 14. In this, U stands for utility. So, combination 14 of the keys Window and U will open the utility manager for you. And we are done with the Windows keyboard. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel for getting more updates on this.